Okay, Brian, I don't know if you can hear me or not, but here's where the weld head is fully retracted, and I'm going to flip it to dress, and it comes down, and you can see there's quite a bit of stroke here yet. I'm going to flip it back to run mode right now. There's that slight movement we talked about. Okay, that's the first one. Here's the second one. I'm going to flip it to dress. As you can see, it has about the same amount of stroke. I'm going to flip back to run right now. And you can see, bam, it's all the way up. The other big things I'm noticing is there's a couple times it hits kind of hard. Right there's one, right there's the next one. If you have any questions, please give me a call.